Good morning, everyone. My name is Iman Sakan, and today I will be presenting my research on the benefits of a forest and natural school, an early learning model I feel true passionate about. Let's get started. A forest and natural school is an early learning approach where children spend extended regular time outdoor in natural environments, learning through direct hands-on contact with the natural world. According to Forest School Canada, it is a long-term child-centered approach that supports holistic development through play, exploration, and supported risk-taking. This model is strongly supported by Ontario's How Does Learning Happen document and the Fully Day Kindergarten program, making it fully aligned with our current provisional policy framework. We speak about history and the contents of this. Forest School organi- organized in Scandinavia in the 1950s, meaning open air life. The model spread to the UK in the 1990s and arrived in Canada when Forest School Canada was established in 2012. Today, licensed natural-based programs operate across every province, supported by the federal Canada-wide Early Learning and Child Care Agreement of 2021. Key principle Key principles of forest and natural schools are: number one, children's interested and curiosity guide learning. Number two, children learn through hand-on experience. Number three, educators act as facilitators and co-learning. Number four, nature is an important learning environment. And number five, children develop respect and care for the environment. Now, I wanted to walk you through the four major benefits of forest and natural school, each supported by current research. The first benefit is physical development and health. According to Tremblay and colleague in 2015, children who regularly engages with natural outdoor environment demonstrate significantly greater physical fitness, coordination, and gross motor skills development than children in primary indoor settings. Second benefit is cognitive development and academic readiness. According to Q and a colleague in 2019, children in nature demonstrate stronger executive function skills, including attention, working memory, and impulse control, which are among the strongest predicators of long-term academic success. Research by Taylor and Q in 2011 especially found that children with ADHD showed significantly improved concentration after time in green environment, explained through what researchers call attention restoration theory. The third benefit is social emotional development and mental health. Perhaps the most urgent benefits given today's rising rates of childhood anxiety. According to Muniz in 2009, children in natural-based program demonstrate greater emotionally regulation, resilience, and empathy. And the fourth benefits is environmental stewardships and sustainability. According to Kellert in 2012, true environment commitment is established through direct childhood contact with nature. You cannot protect what you don't love, Investing in natural-based early learning is one of the most evidence-based strategy for building the environment literacy and true commitment that Canada's long-term sustainability goals depend on. Together, these four benefits demonstrated that forest and natural school support the whole child, body, mind, emotions, and relationship to natural world in ways that few other early learning model can match. Uh, Forest and natural schools supports play-based learning by following children to explore freely, follow their interests, use imagination and creativity, learn through meaningful experience. For example, a child connecting sticks may create a shelter, compare sizes, count materials, and work with peers. Now we will speak the roles of the educator. Effective forest school practice requires skilled, reflective educators who embrace a practical, pedagogical stance. The educator rules. Number one, in a forest school, the educator rules shifts from direct and instructor to observer, facilitator, and co-investigator. Rather than leading children through predetermined activities, the forest school educator observe children interested equation and discovers with true curiosity. Follow the children lead, providing material, language, and question that extended rather than redirect children self-directed exploration. Number three, manage risk through thoughtfully using a benefit risk assessment approach. Also, document children learning in natural through photograph, written observation, and learning stories that make the depths of natural based learning visible to families and communities. Also, models environment value, care for living things, curiosity about the natural world, and respect for the environment in their own interaction with the outdoor space. Now I give you example of natural based activities. Number one, collection and sorting natural material like rock, leaves, sticks, building shelter with branches. Number three, gardening and caring for plants. Number four, observing insected and animals. Five, natural art using natural materials. And finally, outdoor storytelling and dramatic play. Also, I give you loose parts and natural play, which include pine cones, stones, leaves, sticks, tree bark, water stand, and mud. Benefits of them encourage creativity and imaginations, supports problem solving, allow children to create their own play experience. Now, our conclusion for my presentation. Investing in forest and natural school program is not simply about giving children fresh air and exercise. It is about providing the rich, complex, and responsive learning environment that every child deserves while simultaneously addressing mental health, quality, sustainability, and school readings in one powerful integrated approach. And my presentation depend on this my reference, and thank you for listening. Thank you.